Hey, jungle all the way, and let me show you what I did at my garden over the weekend. So you can see the adeniums are in full bloom, and what a beauty they are. It should be a serious offense to forget about them during the winters. Since I've been shifting my winter plants to the balcony, look what I found. This is a wildflower. You call it weed, I call it herb. It is used in a lot of blood thinners, helps in symptoms of lot of menopausal women as well. It is called red clover. So next time you see it, remember it's an herb, it's not a weed. But what made me the happiest today was this Carissa carandis plant, that is Carvonda plant, blooming finally after 3 years. And has a lot of birds. By the way, beware of the thorns, they are really huge and prickly. And that is when I noticed the roots have started coming out of the planter. So it needs serious repotting. And since the days are getting hotter and hotter, I believe there is no way around it. I'll have to do it ASAP. By the way, why does no one talks about the fragrance? I mean, these flowers smell mild, yet they are very fragrant in nature. And then you know who came to pay me a visit, and they came in numbers, so I had to do something. So you know about my much talk about harvest. The drumstick plant is finally bearing fruits, and it is after years of waiting. Seriously, it is. Although the first fruit showed up last monsoon, it wasn't even a fruit. It was a thin string, a very thin string. So I did what any sane person would do. I climbed the ladder. Although I'm scared of heights, but in between falling from a height and breaking few bones and saving my drumsticks, I chose the latter. Also, I thank my gods, the monkeys were busy with chickpeas, otherwise, all my nightmares would have manifested today. And then I finally harvested the drumsticks, and it did feel like a victory. So, monkey zero, me one. And look how pretty they are. Then I harvested all the cherry tomatoes from the already wilting plant. That's so hot anyway, so it's not gonna survive anymore. So I harvested all the cherry tomatoes that have already ripened, as well as the ones that are nowhere near the ripening stage. But I had to harvest them anyway. Then I decided to sow truckloads of summer vegetable fruit seeds, be it muskmelon, cucumbers, rich gourd, papayas, French beans. They look very pretty as well. And the bottle gourd, cucumbers. They look like mermaids' eggs. So I sowed all of them, and there are still a lot of them to be sown. So I'll make a video of all the summer plants that you can sow this April. So do come back for more such vlogs. Bye bye, and